Namaste friends, I hope you all are well. Friends, hips are one of the most important and complex area of the body. Hip complex is critical for maintaining balance, mobility and stability for your entire body. But your hips feel tight from sitting long period of time on desk, on office or on car, then watch this video till end. So friends, today I am sharing some hip opener yoga therapies which gives mobility, stability, flexibility to your hip area. Before start, myself Deepika Sharma, the yoga consultant. Now let's start the first yoga therapy. The name is butterfly pose. For that, you need to sit on your mat comfortably. First, relax your breath, relax your body. Sit with a straight spine, straight shoulder. Now, take the position for butterfly pose. Join your both soles together. Now hold your feet by your hands. Now move your both legs like a butterfly. Here no need to control your breath, just breathe normally. Feel the stretch here. Your hip mobility will increase by this yoga therapy. Practice this yoga therapy regularly for positive result. In a day, minimum 2 minutes or maximum as much as you can practice it. Straight spine, straight shoulder, straight neck. Breath normally. After 2 minutes, release the posture. Relax your body, relax your breath. Now the second yoga therapy, for that, lie down on your mat comfortably. Palms on floor. Relax your breath. Now bend your both knees together. Now slowly raise your both legs up with bent knees. Hold your toes by your hands. Now open your legs here as much as you can. Stretch your legs towards outside. Feel the stretch here. It's a hip opener yoga therapy. Feel the stretch on your hip area. Come close. Now outside movement. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Minimum 20 times, maximum as much as you can practice it. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. After 20 times, slowly release the posture. Slowly come back. Give relax to your body, to your muscles. So friends, do these hip opener yoga therapies regularly and get positive results. Namaste, take care and be connected.